Yo fam, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know, I'm sorry I've been missing for 2 weeks. A lot of your board exams just got over and y'all are going to be going to college, so I thought of making a video. What better way to be back than an Ask Agastya video, college edition. So I asked you guys on my Instagram at Agastya Shah if you want to follow me there for questions, and y'all have sent quite some controversial questions and quite some actually nice ones, so let's answer all of them. Before we start the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Join the Ag Fam. We're dream chasers, we're not afraid to be different, and we push each other to become better people every single day. 11th, 12th, after 10th standard is basically college. So I had my first girlfriend when I was in the 11th grade. So yes, technically I did date somebody in college and it was okay, but I just feel like you're too young at that time. If you just want to have a time pass relationship, then you know, if my friends and her friends are watching this, it's not going to be a very good thing. But hey, the truth is the truth. Next question. How to burn college? भाई ये थोड़ा मतलब पता नहीं, कॉलेज जलानी है तो मेरे को नहीं पता, मैंने कभी कॉलेज जला ही नहीं है. आई थिंक यू शुड गो गेट सम हेल्प. आई डू नॉट नो. Next question. How to make friends while entering a new college? This is one of the most asked questions. How to make friends in college? What I did personally was I just found people who were kind of my vibe, you know, who liked what I liked. I used to play the keyboard in college, so I used to be in the school band. I made friends with people who were in the band. You know, I used to play basketball in school college, so I made friends who were in the basketball team. That's actually how I made my best friend till this day, and I'm coming back from his birthday party and shooting this video. So I would say it's a pretty good example. Make friends with people who share the same interests as you, who share the same beliefs, and you know, honestly I would say make friends with people not because of who they are in college, but because of who they could be in college and after college is over, because I feel like college is too small of a time to tell actually who's gonna ride or die for you. Identifying those is what's important, and those will usually happen with people that share the same beliefs with you and share the same interests as you. Next question. I want to confess to a girl. Yeah, these were the kind of controversial questions I was talking about. I want to confess to a girl, but she has a boyfriend. I genuinely like her though. It's a tricky situation. I would say don't, to be honest, because you do not want to wreck a relationship. If she breaks up, fair game, bro. Go for her, aim for her and go get her if you like her. But if she's in a relationship, I would say just stay away. Don't do it, because the last thing you want to do in college is like, I mean, not even in college, in general in life, the last thing you want to do is make somebody break up. But if you want to play the little controversial game, if you just don't give a shit, go and tell the girl you like her and then just live with the drama. I have a friend who did that and it went his way. So hey, I'm just saying anything can happen. Next one. I am in college now, but I have one friend that she rarely comes and I end up being alone and ghosted. If you have the same friend from school that you've gone on to college with, it's fine. That person can always be your best friend, but you can always make more friends, because in college, because there are different subjects, there are different streams, most likely you're going to be separated from the person that you already know. So it's always good to make, you know, friends in different streams and different subjects. Next question. Any horrible experiences with the worst teacher or teachers? I have just the story for you. Let me say it very quickly, very simply. There was this one physics teacher, okay, in my class, and I was on the second bench and he was like a replacement teacher who had just joined our class 2 days ago. This happened on the third day. I was sitting on the second bench with a friend of mine. How do I say this without abusing? What basically happened was I was sitting on the second bench of the class and I accidentally dropped my pen down. Okay, my friend and I were playing pen fight in college. Don't ask why, but we were playing pen fight and my pen fell down. I said, I won't say what I wanted to say. I didn't even say it in college. I said, oh, and I ended up saying frick. F-R-I-C-K. Frick. Dude, this physics teacher already had a reputation of being one of the most khadus teachers, one of the most disliked teachers in the entire college. And what this guy has done to me, I still don't know to this day how it's acceptable, but it happened to me. So whatever, it's in the past now. This guy said, Agastya, get up, come here. I was second bench, so I went up to the class and he said, pick your pen up. So I picked my pen up and he's like, what did you just say? I was like, sir. I said, oh, I didn't say what I was about to say. He's like, no, I heard what you said. You said the F word. I was like, sir, I didn't say the F word. If I wanted you to hear what I would say, तो मैं आराम से क्यों बोलता ना, मैं चिल्ला ही देता. But he's like, no, you said it. And then what this guy has done is, I'll never forget this. He has taken me ऐसे पीछे से इधर से, okay, from the back of my neck, and he has taken me out of class ऐसे, and he has made me stand outside. He's like, I want you to call your parents tomorrow. Oh, whatever you said, why did you say it? And I stood my ground because मैंने नहीं बोला, मैंने नहीं बोला, मैंने नहीं बोला, तो मैं क्यों भाई डांट क्यों खाऊं मैं? Told him, and ultimately literally 7 to 8 people from the class have come out, were sitting around me and said, sir, he didn't say, why are you doing this? Because dude, in the school I was in, or at that time, you know, teachers couldn't be physical with the student, and this guy has literally like grabbed me from here, and that was a big deal in school. In college, I keep saying school because I did 11th 12th in the same school that I did school in, but yeah, this was one of the most crazy incidents I've had with a teacher, that I said, oh frick, and this guy has thought I have said. Next one. These are one of the more controversial questions. Best place to make out in college. देखो ये कॉलेज टू कॉलेज डिपेंड करता है. थोड़े लोग के कॉलेज में टेरेसेस होती है, थोड़े लोग के कॉलेज में बाथरूम्स होते हैं, थोड़े लोग के कॉलेज में क्लासरूम्स में अच्छे स्पॉट्स मिल जाते हैं. पर्सनली आई वुड रिकमेंड द बाथरूम्स. I would recommend the bathrooms because those are the places where you're most likely to get caught. क्योंकि in our college there used to be cameras everywhere except the bathrooms. क्योंकि bathroom में तो तुम कैमरा लगा नहीं सकते. I would suggest the bathrooms are the best place to make out or do whatever. I'm gonna get in trouble for saying that, but it's okay. Next one. Should a girl approach their crush in college? Yeah, absolutely. I think if a girl approached me in college if I was their crush, भाई मैं तो इतना खुश हो जाता क्योंकि लाइफ में कभी हुआ तो नहीं है ये, बट होता मेरे ड्रीम वर्ल्ड में तो मैं बहुत खुश हो जाता. So if you're a girl, go make that guy's day, go tell that you have a crush on him. Next one. How to convince parents for far college. Wow, this is a nice one. This is a little serious realm. I would say the best way to convince your parents to let you go to college somewhere far is by showing them that you're responsible. The number one reason why your parents don't want to send you somewhere far for college is because they think कि मतलब हमारे बच्चे responsible नहीं है, उधर क्या करेंगे, दारू पिएंगे, सुट्टा फूकेंगे और क्या क्या करेंगे जो मेरे को नहीं बोलना है इधर. वो उनका सबसे बड़ा डर है कि तुम उधर जाके करोगे क्या, क्योंकि मूवीज और सब ने ऐसे दिखा के रखा है कि कॉलेज में तो बड़े मजे होते हैं, बड़े नशे होते हैं. मोस्ट कॉलेजेस में ऐसा नहीं होता. जहां मैं गया था वहां बिल्कुल ये नहीं था, बट दिखाते हैं मूवीज में. सो दैट्स वेयर पेरेंट्स परसेप्शन कम्स फ्रॉम. द नंबर वन वे टू अलाउ और गेट योर पेरेंट्स टू सेंड यू समवेयर फार इज बाय शोइंग देम दैट यू आर रिस्पांसिबल, कि मैं टाइम पे उठूंगा, टाइम पे खाऊंगा, क्योंकि उधर तुम्हें कोई कुछ बोलने वाला नहीं है. लाइक तुम कितने भी बजे उठ सकते हो, यू कैन स्लीप एट व्हाटएवर टाइम. लाइक दैट्स द नंबर वन थिंग. सो इफ यू आर रिस्पांसिबल, योर पेरेंट्स विल लेट यू गो अब्रॉड, एंड दैट्स द थिंग यू शुड वर्क टुवर्ड्स इफ यू वांट टू गो abroad or somewhere far to study. Next one. How to stay away from toxic ones and build genuine friendships and lots of love. Thank you so much for that. Lots of love. I will take it. How to stay away from toxic friends. I've been actually pretty good at this. I've not had those many. I've maybe had 1 or 2 toxic friendships in my life, and I think it's because मैं दूसरे लोगों के validation के लिए कभी किसी से दोस्ती नहीं करता था कॉलेज में, या अभी भी नहीं करता. If I genuinely like somebody, if I think somebody is genuine and they are a nice person, तो ही मैं उनसे दोस्ती बनाऊंगा या करूंगा. I'll give you a simple example. There'll be this one friend who is mean to everybody, who's rude to everybody for absolutely no reason, and you think यार ये तो बड़ा cool बंदा है, इसके साथ दोस्त बन जाता हूँ. But तुम क्या देखोगे कि once you join that friend group, वो तुम्हारी ले रहा है, वो unnecessarily he is rude to you or she is rude to you, and that's when you realize कि यार instead of being in this group, I was better off in my old group or that group only, where I was at least accepted for the person that I am, and people were not rude for no reason. I think that's the number one thing. So that's how you stay away from toxic friends. Damn यार, ये बहुत थोड़ा सीरियस हो गया. आई होप नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन थोड़ा लाइट है. ओके या आई मीन ये भी थोड़ा. हाउ टू बी द मोस्ट फेमस वन इन कॉलेज. अभी मेरे को ब्रैग नहीं कर रहा. आई वॉज डिसेंटली फेमस इन कॉलेज, एंड दिस वॉज बिफोर एनी ऑफ द कॉन्टेंट क्रिएटर स्टफ दैट यू ऑल आर सीइंग हैपेंड. इन कॉलेज डेज आई यूज्ड टू एक्ट इन द थिएटर क्लब. आई यूज्ड टू प्ले द कीबोर्ड फॉर द बैंड. सो आई वाज रिलेटिवली वेल नोन इन द कॉलेज बिकॉज every inter-school competition, every inter-school festival, I used to be part of the band, and genuinely being good at something and showing that to people is an easy way when I was in college. But अभी social media की दुनिया है भाई, तुम गुलाबी साड़ी पे एक रील बना लो, तुम भी famous हो. Genuinely in today's world, I would say social media. If you want to be famous in your college, just start making reels, and you can follow my Instagram at Agastya Shah to know how to make. I don't teach you how to make reels, but to see the reels I make if you want to take some inspiration. Next question. Ever had sex in college? Mom, dad, hi, I just what? No, I've not. See, I know मैं हंस रहा हूँ, but नहीं मैं हंस रहा हूँ. बट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाउ टू मैनेज थिंग्स एंड एंजॉय एज वेल. दिस इज वन थिंग आई वाज प्रीटी गुड एट, बिकॉज आई वाज मेकिंग कीबोर्ड कवर्स बैक इन द डे व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज थोड़ा बहुत, एंड आई हैड स्टार्टेड टिकटॉक एट दैट टाइम, जो अभी बैन हो गया है. रेस्ट इन पीस टिकटॉक. आई हैड मेड एट दैट टाइम. देयर इज नो इजी वे टू बैलेंस एवरीथिंग, बट आई वुड से वन गुड वे ऑफ बैलेंसिंग एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट बाय रियलाइजिंग व्हाट योर प्रायोरिटीज आर. अगर तुम्हारे दोस्त वीक में 4 दिन पार्टी कर रहे हैं, तो तुम 2 दिन जाओगे, और तुम 2 दिन अपने काम पे या जो तुम्हें पसंद आता है, व्हाट योर अदर एंजॉयमेंट इज, और दैट माइट बी योर स्टडीज ऑल्सो. also for that matter. तुम 2 रात पढ़ रहे हो और 2 रात बाहर जा रहे हो. I feel like अगर तुम 4 रात बाहर जाओगे या तुम 4 रात पढ़ोगे, those aren't good places to be in. क्योंकि I have seen people who have studied for 7 nights, हर रोज भाई वो पढ़ते थे, और आज भाई जो पागल हो चुके हैं ना वो लोग. Like I know these people, so I would say don't go this way, and I know these people also. हर रात पार्टी करते थे. I feel like finding your own sweet spot in college is important because college तुम्हें सिखाता है कि लाइफ में तुम कैसे बिहेव करोगे, how will you balance everything in life, because after school college becomes a little more realistic for you. You know, maybe you stay away from your parents, maybe you're going to, you know, हर रोज तुम कॉलेज जा रहे हो, जो थोड़ा अलग एनवायरमेंट होता है, थोड़ा ग्रोन अप होता है. So I feel like how you learn to balance work/education and your party/fun in college is very important for the rest of your life. So I would say find a sweet spot. Usually make it 50-50. Personally, I used to do 50-50, but I wish I did 80-20 क्योंकि मैं अभी पढ़ाई के अराउंड कुछ कर नहीं रहा लाइफ में. Next question. Please give some bunking tips. I am a god at bunking. I have made a whole story time about this. I'll link it up here somewhere. Number 1 way I would say to bunk is जैसे एक पीरियड खत्म हुआ, before the next teacher comes, मैं क्लास से निकल जाता था और मैं बाथरूम में बैठ जाता था. हमारा पीरियड 35 मिनट्स का था, सो टीचर क्लासरूम में आए उसके पहले ही मैं जाके बाथरूम में बैठ जाता था, और मैं 35 मिनट तक बस बाथरूम में ही बैठा था. पता नहीं क्या करता था, मैं बुक लेके जाता था, कभी कोई तो स्टोरी बुक या मेरा दोस्त दूसरे क्लास से आके हम साथ में फिक्स करते थे कि भाई ट्यूसडे 5th पीरियड साथ में बाथरूम, we'll bunk together. The mega bunking trick that I had done once was we had 10 periods, okay? 8th period में what I used to do is मैं क्लास से तो निकल जाता था, और जैसे 8th पीरियड खत्म हुआ I would ask my friend कि हमारी है ना क्लासरूम से तुम मतलब बाहर बैग फेंक सकते थे. So I literally used to ask my friend तो ऊपर से मेरी बैग बाहर फेंक, मैं नीचे से पकड़ूंगा, और फिर मैं नीचे जाके पीटी खेलता था या कुछ भी करता था. जो मैं एक बार पकड़ा गया, वापस स्टोरी टाइम देख लो, ऊपर होगा. Some teachers are watching this, I am so sorry, but I have to tell the fact. Next question. कौन सी स्ट्रीम लेना चाहिए? 10th तो अभी पास किया. सो मैंने कॉमर्स लिया था क्योंकि साइंस मेरे से घंटा होने वाला था. मैं फिजिक्स में बहुत गंदा हूँ, मैं केमिस्ट्री में बहुत गंदा हूँ, बायोलॉजी में ठीक ठाक हूँ, प्रैक्टिकल बायोलॉजी में बहुत गंदा हूँ. मैंने कॉमर्स ली थी. आई टेकन कॉमर्स, अकाउंट्स, इकोनॉमिक्स, लिटरेचर एंड लैंग्वेज. दीज वर द सब्जेक्ट्स दैट आई हैड टेकन एंड मैथ व्हिच आई अगेन सक्ड एट. बट इट डिपेंड्स तुम्हें आगे करना क्या है. इफ यू आर नॉट श्योर व्हाट यू वांट टू डू, व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज कॉमर्स यूज्ड टू बी यूजुअली द सेफेस्ट बेट बिकॉज़ आई न्यू मेरे को साइंस में कुछ नहीं करना. बट वेग आइडिया लेके यू शुड पिक योर सब्जेक्ट, सॉरी स्ट्रीम, व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. नेक्स्ट वन. डू यू आल्सो गो लाइब्रेरी फॉर लव बाइट? मैम ये दीदी आप ऐसे सवाल ना पूछिए तो बेहतर है. मैं कोई लव बाइट नहीं करता था. मैं बहुत सीधा साधा बच्चा था कॉलेज में. इज इट गुड टू गो इन अ रिलेशनशिप इन द फर्स्ट ईयर और शुड वी कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन स्टडीज? आई डिड एंटर माय फर्स्ट एवर रिलेशनशिप इन माय फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ कॉलेज इन द 11th grade and it didn't affect my studies a lot to be honest, but I would say मत करो. I would say just be in casual things, don't enter a relationship क्योंकि you're honestly too young. In college I didn't know that time. I used to think I've grown up, I'm 18 years old, but you're too young to actually be in a proper relationship. So I would say chill, you know, Netflix and chill with people, and also study. How do you handle peer pressure? Love your videos, thank you so much. So how to handle peer pressure in college? This is a very important thing because college में you grow up, तुम 18 plus हो जाते हो, you know, people are drinking, people are smoking, people are doing all types of things that I don't even want to say here. I think the number one way of controlling peer pressure is surrounding yourself with people जो even if they do it, मैं नहीं बोल रहा कि अगर कोई कर रहा है तुम उनसे दोस्ती मत रखो, तुम दोस्ती रखो, बट ऐसे लोगों के साथ दोस्ती रखो जो तुम्हें करने में फोर्स नहीं करेंगे. That's what I did. Some of my friends used to do everything, you know, which I don't even want to say, but I would never do it and they would never force me because they knew कि Agastya doesn't want to do it, it's his personal choice, we should not force him. But I also knew this group where people were getting forced to do all types of things that they didn't want to do and it wasn't very good. So that's how you handle peer pressure, by surrounding yourself with the right people and also deciding in your mind कि यार is this me? अगर तुम किसी और के कहने से कुछ कर रहे हो तो वो गलत है. वो चाहे भाई मतलब something as simple as drinking alcohol क्यों ना हो, अगर तुम्हें नहीं करना बट तुम किसके बोलने से अगर कर रहे हो तो वो गलत है. That is peer pressure. It doesn't only have to be about the serious things or some of the illegal things that happen now in colleges. अभी तो भाई हमारा next generation doomed है. Alright guys, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you're new and let me know in the comments if you want a part 2 of college Ask Agastya or what's the next topic I should make the Ask Agastya on. Tell me in the comments because I'll pick my next topic for the Ask Agastya from the comments. If you're new here, join the Act Fam. We're dream chasers. We're not afraid to be different and we push each other to become better people every single day. I'm sorry again for taking a 2-week break, but you'll soon know why and you'll be proud of me. I cannot wait, but I'm back. I'm going to post this week, this Sunday, next Sunday. So turn your post notifications on and I will see you later. I love you guys and I'm so happy to be back. यार मैं 2 week का break लिया था YouTube से. ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं इतने महीनों से शूट नहीं किया. I love you. अरे यार चल, okay, love you, bye.